Hello, boys and girls. We have been talking about the plot of a story and the things that occur in the plot and how they affect the characters and the setting. Stories have a beginning, a series of events, a high point, and an ending. Let's take a look at Enemy Pie. In the beginning of Enemy Pie, Jeremy Ross moves to the neighborhood. And then the next big event that occurs is Dad makes enemy pie. Then the boys play together. Dad says that's the cure to get rid of an enemy, is to play together. And then the boy, the main character, stops Jeremy Ross from eating the pie. And this is the major turning point in the story. The high point or the climax is when something really big changes the plot of the story. This is when the main character decided that Jeremy Ross wasn't so bad. And then, after they realized that the pie was just a regular pie, the boys became friends and they were no longer enemies. Okay? As you are reading today, during your independent reading time, think about the beginning, the series of events, the high point, and the ending of the story that you're reading.